You're welcome to Lapo Farm. So I'm the one in charge of this farm. They contacted me for consultation. I'm the consultant for this farm. They just starting and they have about 20 rooms. Work is going on. They have about 20 rooms. This is all meant for the biosecurity. These are the rooms. The carpenter is working. So work is going on. Work is going on. We already have pigs. This is one of the male. This is the second male. Already have pigs there. And these are our goats. They're pregnant. They're pregnant pigs. So these are vacant rooms. So work is still going on for the rooms. We already have pigs. Yes. Already have pigs there. They're doing fine. So work is still going on here. So pending the time they finish the rooms, then we're going to separate them to individual rooms. This 20 rooms capacity, just for a start. So thank you. You can contact us for your project too. We are ready to assist you.